Come on, sir.
You want me in the picture?
Yes.
No, you guys go and then I'll come after.
Wagwan. That's great. We got the people, you know, you see the beard back in full effect. Jesus. Yeah, man, nice and out here and dry. Need the lotion in my second. Today, come on, Jamaica. Come on, sir. Stand up, sir. Tap your foolishness, I'm going to tear off my shirt now, you. Stand up, sir. Stand up on the chair. So now, tell everybody what we are doing today.
We're gonna go to my what is it called again?
Great.
Oh, great
grandma's house, yeah. You see me? So that's where we're heading right now. My dad's mom. You know what I say? You don't know, my father died since me about 13. And over the years we just never have the opportunity to see my grandmother as much. You see it? So I saw her twice since I've been here. The first time we bring Tyrone's daughter, which is my niece Ella, to see her. And the second time we brought my brother's son, which is Spoogie. You don't know Spoogie. We bring Spoogie for meet her the second time. And now the third time Jamie and them there, I bring my kids to meet her today. You see me? So I jar there too. I jar there on the side, up and down. Alice will be a Tyrone. I get Ella ready. I bring Ella on. We can't bring Spoogie because Spoogie is a homebody. Need to fix that, and him there in our room, we don't have much space in the car, so yeah. With that said, we are gonna jump right out. So yeah, we're there outside right now. Alice are there right there, so Ella is here. You see me? Jamming around there. Ajari asleep. I mean, and Tyrone there, so see me. So we're there on our way to go visit your grandmother again. Alright, so as we say, we're on our way to see our grandmother, but on the way, our father grave they close by, and I've been wanting to go there, me and Tyrone, to get a whole look around to see how much it grass up since the last time, 2018. So, we're Tyrone and say we buy a flask of rum, kind of to visit graveside and have some rum for splash on them. You know what I say? So this is gonna be Jamir, Alice's, Ajari, and Ella's first time seeing the grave. Hopefully in a bush up. Yeah, man.
Wait, were you scared to bring her?
Afraid for bringing her.
Why?
You know what I mean? Can't carry out there, man. Nothing wrong. So I'm gonna go up there. I'm gonna throw some water, something, and see how much grass up. But a friend of mine, his dad supposed to come with us to see how much it will cost to put like fencing, like rails around the grave. And you saw in a previous vlog when we just come here, went to visit you call it something?
The headstone.
Yeah, the headstone. And we get the price and everything on it. So spontaneously we say, alright, Alice, I say, why don't just stop? So we're gonna stop now. We just pull up at a bar. We're gonna see if we can get some rum in that place.
Rumpel, you have no flask of apple vodka?
Yeah, ocean spray, the white one, please. Much for that. Just grab your rum. And we'll just drink something, you know the vibe. So yeah, this is high burn, yeah. And the whole, basically, most of the people in our family, them, you know? Yeah, man, most of the people, you see over here, so? All over here, so our family land, them, you know? How St. Mary, how so? See how St. Mary, yeah? Oh my God. About the park down there, so no, man, up in the grass, up St. Mary. No, man. Yeah, man, remember with the park right there, so brother? We young keep them there. Oh, so I go just park. Park. I saw the park last time. Oh, maybe we can't bring my grandmother house, you see? Yeah, park. It's our great grandmother house.
Oh, wait, that's the house we're going to?
No.
Oh.
See, I want our cousin there, right? So.
Oh, your great grandmother.
Yeah, that's a mommy father. Oh, I don't know, so you said man. Yeah, man, a mommy cousin. That a mommy father. mother and father house. You see me? So the Bailey them, everybody them. This brother probably not even know me, but I know him. I remember him.
I don't think the kid's gonna be able to go up there. I didn't know it was such a steep hill.
Alright, so you want
I'll see what the kids find. Very good.
The dog not going. But I can't Jamie with me. So we're on Jamie the outside. Alyssa in the car, Raina kind of drew. Tyrone's daughter is in the car and Ajari asleep, so she not go come. Oh yeah, record. She not go forward. Tyrone if I want Ella go up and no grave you know, but come in. You look at Utah. You know remember we still. Down here nice, you know, be a vegetation down here. Apart I can walk again, right at the little road there, so?
That's what you're talking about, you see.
Oh. And some whole heap of grave. I don't really like grave, you know, but I choose my daddy alone bear up there, so. So Jamie out there, Jamie out going. Say something, you see that house there? Great grandmother, grandfather, no? Yeah, great. Cause mommy, I'm a great, yeah. Yeah, him the help we last time, man. Great grandmother. Me did I can, but mommy did come for funeral.
Yeah, she did come.
Yeah, me know, man. You watch it. And I'm auntie, me there's enough of pine pan grape, but you can see the fresh done up. I'm a great grand aunt. But that's my mother auntie, yeah. Yeah, you see I meet. You don't mind go on camera. I vlog, you know, so it's one of my second cousin, because I'm mommy, our first cousin. Yeah. You know Pauline, not true? Yeah. I'm my Pauline son, you know. Yeah. Remember you for a longer while, man. And you did help with last time with the broom or something. Yeah. Yes. Come, Jamir. Tyrone. I went gone. Jamir. Come in. Watch him out. Come, watch him out. Don't tap. Hold on, you know what? I don't trust him. Come for my back. Don't put your shoes for my clothes though. Don't put your shoes. Hold on.
Hello.
I don't want thing red up himself.
With
the long machete, eh? Sorry man. Thanks, yeah? Alright, put on your foot. Put your foot to the side. Yeah. Yeah, so. Yeah, man, a great grand aunt over the whole place over here. So, what you land down here? Alright, jump down now. Yeah. Come in. Watch the dirt. Don't step in the dirt itself. Step on the grass. Jamie, I got you. Go and see your grandfather, boy. How are you, Gravy? Are you Gravies? Yeah. How are you said to me? Backside. In Tyrone? Come on, Grave. Cover. No, sir. Ratted. And it's hard for come here and just sit and left, you know? Yes. So, my little brother. Anyway, my little brother this. Yeah, man. He did come with you last time.
Where is it? Where is it?
The grave's right there. You can't even see it. Hold the camera. Hold this, sir. Hold this, sir.
How much years now?
3 years. Almost 4. I remember I said 2018. Yeah, man. See it there? Clean up the thing. Nice. You see me? So that's the finished product of the thing. Tyrone, what you have to say?
Yeah, man,
up top.
It was a wonderful day. Successful.
Spur, big up, you know. Mommy over here, so spooky, uncle, auntie, everybody over there. We are going to log off, you know, so like that. You see me? So big up the people for watching. Subscribe to the thing, man. R.I.P. to father again and happy birthday to the general. You see me? Up top. Come on, let's see, brother.
That's your dad's grave?
Yeah, go clean up you last time, brother. No, sorry, boss. Huh? Oh God, man, the boss must agree. Tyrone, you walk on. See me there? You have to start come down here. Come chop off piece and grave.
Don't clean up it.
Sorry, my boss.
I can't see it.
You see that? You don't know who over here, missionary? You have to start come down here. Yeah, you need a plan for this today, no? sorry, no general. Oh, God. Sure, no, sir.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. I see half of it. Is that it?
God, my gosh.
Oh, man. What's up, man? A pocket chest.
So he's inside of that? He's inside of it?
Eh? Yeah.
That's called a grave.
At least every 3 months, you know?
Yeah, man, come maintain it.
Yeah. That's how we're going to grill up brownie, you know. Pick up yourself, my boss. You know the thing, we carry your grandson. You meet him for your first time.
Your granddaughter down this too. And your next grandson.
Come, Jamie.
Yeah, son, we don't carry them out of the car car through the hill. But in time we are come back down here with boss, you carry them come look for you.
Step.
Your grandson and your granddaughter.
Watch it.
You know?
Yeah.
Now turn up on your head, you know.
Don't know that,
You know.
How is sprinkling?
Yeah, man. Bless him, you know.
Not too much.
Oh.
Go on now. Just a little bit of it. Just a little
Up
bit.
here?
Yeah.
Bless him.
Hey, call him with that, Sharon. Yeah, stop.
Oh.
Yeah, bless
I
him.
want something to drink, man. Hey, cup, man. You drink a shot, me, G?
That done,
You
man.
drink a shot?
That done, man.
Yourself, open it there.
So people, as I said, this is not the official cleanup. This is just a local,
Jamie, watch your shoes.
you know, we are pass by and see him and just clean him up. And if he grave broke on it, Chuck, see.
Alright?
And if he not broke on it, Chuck.
No, I chop off piece there, so. But I have clean him and then see.
That part.
Sit right there in there, so. Only a piece.
No, I mean like it's underneath crack or any little thing there.
Crack? Nah, man. Solid,
Only
man.
way to see
Let's go
it.
strip off here and paint it again, though.
Yeah, I have to go strip on the paint.
What we do, you know? We post to the internet so people in our ear and you want to talk and tell them if they want to purchase from you. We do that. You see me? So tell them your name if when you set your farming come through and when you sell it, see?
Yeah. Well, my name is Kimani Bailey.
Yeah. Your cousin, you know what I say? Yeah.
I do like, we plant like sweet potato that take like 4 months to come in. And Irish potato.
Yeah.
You know, so Irish potato are season thing, so.
Yeah.
Only 2 times you can plant it. In the fall, in the spring.
Yeah.
So that takes 3 months, and you have carrot.
Yeah.
Carrot are 3 to 4 months, you know.
Yeah.
They call them a quick crop.
Quick crop. Like a chicken. Quick. Yeah.
Catch crop, they're short.
Mm.
Yam them also now. Yam, them are yellow yam, 9 months them are.
So if somebody want to contact you for all of them fresh produce from Manchester side, how you want them to contact you? You have a Facebook page or a number where you feel comfortable if you left on the screen?
Yeah, when you can contact me, I have IG, you know. Kimani Bailey on IG.
Kimani Bailey, no underscore, no space.
Underscore.
I search for it same way too.
Kimani Bailey.
So if they want to contact you about anything, you can do that. So where you have we have already anytime soon?
Well, I don't have already right here now until about November.
Oh, and where you have ready by November?
By November, I have Irish and sweet potato.
Yeah. Alright, see it then, on time?
Carrot.
Alright, see it now, people. We don't have high burn. As I said, my cousin right that's the same way boss in farming. And my father just burying a ground by himself, same way. All over here, some man, my great grandparents, them. You see me I say? So big up the whole Bailey family, you know the thing working, man. But the whole time at the high burn and we just have pass through. I need to show my grandmother this because I go visit her. I doubt if she know what the grave look like. Cover up, but we just could have left it under so much grass. So I go come back the next day because time has got against us and come start out the boss really serious. So we brother over there, so Tyrone said speed. You see me? When full father dead, you know, you had this man at age, you know? 1 year old and you are 8 year old, I'm 7 now. You see me?
Yeah.
Jai.
So yeah, Yeah, where I come, man? Reach down on the hill, you see me? Yeah, we just left the graveside and see my cousin has right away. You see me? Nicholas on the ground. You see it? And in G there, so same way. Big up yourself, man. Know it go. See, I draw around here. Meet your cousin for you first time. See me? Hear him up.
Go on.
Hear him up. Yeah, man. Yeah, work, man. A boom box. This is your cousin. Meet your cousin.
Yeah.
You know nothing where you go, honey. Yeah, man.
Look at Jameer. Jameer's running way. No one can see him.
Respect, man. Your mother, she half in there, quarter in there.
Yeah, pretty much, man. So that.
Alright. So you see this man I know, Alisa? For my father, sister, son.
Your father, sister. Yeah. So your aunt's
Yeah,
son.
my aunt, yeah. But
okay.
you know, say true. I never meet the next youth. And I wear the cousin by my mother's side. But he might like with third cousin. But it's a man our first cousin, you know?
Okay.
I feel brother, so I say. I feel father made he go look for up at Niagara.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I see girl who always a message up on Instagram. That's one of my cousin by my auntie side. I feel half sister.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
And the one with a barber man level. I feel brother. Yeah.
Man.
In father kind of busy still. You got busy, brother.
Busy.
So, you see that here is steep? Yeah, what are doing your side? It's a nice one also. Oh, she jump up on the hill,
yeah, man. That's money cause.
I love how they do this side. Then decky but make you look like a roof.
Yeah,
look on the house. You're not afraid, but look on it.
Yeah,
look
no.
on the top. And decky like a roof.
Design.
Like a zinc, yeah?
That's smart.
It's smart and it's paint like you look like a roof.
No more walk. Okay.
The house there, so? The house there, that's my cousin. Remember Obla? Obla?
Yeah.
Obla father house.
Oh.
That's why they have to marble. Eh? Bucky? Oh. No, this is my cousin. So grandmother also. I feel they for this. They might like the second or third cousin, see me? You know him?
I'm so tired.
Good afternoon. I brought gifts.
Come in and go say a baby.
Oh God. Alright.
I'm going back
Hold
down.
on.
I'm not going down.
Hold on.
Hi. Grand.
Good, make me holy.
Hello.
Hello, darling. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
So,
Great, grand.
you don't mind to go up on my camera? You don't mind go up on the camera?
Anything,
Yeah,
man.
alright.
How you mean,
Thank you
man?
very nice. Your daughter, not true?
Yeah.
You see your son a while ago, you see? A blaze bike like a racer. Then don't start blaze bike them, you know? So yeah, before, so this is Alisa. Alisa, this is my grandmother. And then this is my aunt G. And this is my wife, Alisa. Yeah, she's a twin.
Okay.
Which are his mama, but she not there right now. So she a twin.
Okay.
So when you look at her sister, you would know them different. Yeah, exactly. And then, we don't know her name. Tell me her name. Anika. And this is her daughter, you know? Anika. Me, but you never did get me. Oh, she said, if you tell her no hi. Oh, you call her? Oh, she gone to work, you know?
Lorenzo.
That's Auntie Faith, son. That's your little brother. You cut me foot?
There's Jem down there playing. Jem, come, I need to spray you.
I started telling my man, I say, oh, watch your bike, you know, because when I didn't get dashed a while ago for this.
Drop
No,
down
right, you know?
Yeah, right, it is.
Black drop down about 6 row black. Go next door down the road here. So. And him have to run and bounce in the on the column. The doctor said behind here. So.
Because 6 black Japanese. You look like Jamie, you know?
And the other little girl,
You look
she has
about
6.
Where are we see her?
The other little girl, she has 6.
So them foot, bro?
Oh God, she didn't know.
Yeah, man, her
she
legs,
promote
all
down
her
her yard, they go chicken.
Hey, broke up yourself, my yacht.
Aww.
But you look chan. Come, are you alright?
Oh, look, cousin, you. First cousin too.
Yeah.
I feel him, brother.
Oh,
Like
okay.
Nicholas took a brother. You broke up your foot, my boss. You alright? Yeah, at least you have life, yeah, man.
Yeah, exactly.
I see him jump down on you.
You gotta spray Ella.
How long now your foot, bro?
She get bitten.
No man from the 11th.
Let me hear the spray up there.
I have the spray.
On the 11th.
So Tyrone born the 13th. And then we have one little sister before Tyrone. She born stillbirth. She born the 13th of February. Tyrone come follow up the next year and born on Fia's birthday. So if she be alive, she would have been 27 now.
27. That big girl.
Same exact day when she dead. I same day him born the following year. On the same birthday. A while ago, if we reach, you're going to come tell us about that try
Yes,
aim
me
for
call him
12.
a while ago and she said, oh no, I don't.
We stop at a grave. But we go there cover.
No, Lord, have
Cover.
mercy.
But we could have left and just left, you see, you know?
Yeah, come here.
Cover. I went there.
What, mama, man? I'm not bother with it.
So you can't even see it. And in 2018, see, that didn't go to us. So who even can tell so I'm grateful, that's so.
Oh gosh, it came by. Look at the way they come. Look there. No, do no best.
Lord have mercy.
The last is when we go there in 2018, a couple years well before they go there, you can bury in 2004.
14.
I'll go there in 2018.
2004, I true that time for me boy born. You see them at 18.
So
Watch Ella's face, watch
Why
Ella's
1 month in ban?
Him born.
No, you don't have to do it for Jem. You don't have to do that for Jem. Like, you don't have, Jem doesn't have to rub it. Just spread it over.
Come and go make 18 years in past then. Because Andre's son, 2 can on his face we could have carried.
That's okay when as well dead for me in the like.
Can I put that in that probably born a couple months before. Yeah.
Yes, that's true.
Let's see, man. Fine, I'm going to finish you up.
So when I finish everything though.
As you say, we are come, we going to go back there, you know. But through this sick out, we could go. And that's why when I come look for you earlier too.
Because Danny did I call you Tuesday gone, you know.
Did I call me?
Yes, man.
You need to call him because I'm going to look for you. You come up here?
And he did I call you same one when you go put on the headstone.
Oh.
To tell him.
Because one of my friend's father supposed to do one thing to do it. He's supposed to come and give an estimate how much it will cost. He put grill on it and then we concrete it so this will not happen. So if grass grow, it will grow up on the grill and we can just brush off it. So when him come now, after he come, then we are going to figure out the headstone. But probably in January before we do the headstone, if anything. What's it?
You'd have to come back.
I must say, have like a family reunion where they go on with that Ochi. But I want to go there.
Jem said you want to sprinkle it?
I'm brave, you know, because whenever I bring something, oh God, man. Make sure I tell him that when there.
Jameer, down there.
Make sure I tell him, say, not right now, but when I old. Make sure I say, do at least this to me, you know? Nobody make me forget about. I'll show him done all this.
Yeah, that's fine.
Cover.
So now they're taking pictures.
Go on, Ella.
Ella, go in the picture.
There.
Ajari's here. She can probably hold Ajari. Oh. But Ajari needs to go in the picture.
Wait, Ella.
Oh my God, Ella ran off.
Yeah.
So you taking? I'm recording when you take pictures.
Take a picture of the first name and godmother.
William.
Come to your grandmother. Yeah, make sure she stay in front. Yeah.
This is nice.
So grandmother, all our great grand. Ella there.
Aww.
Jamaica around this, Ajari.
Ella's walking away.
Group picture together, you know? Mama, stay, man. Take a group picture.
You guys look. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Don't smile.
Ella, stay, mama.
Yeah, mom.
Look on
Mm-hmm. Ella. Hey, Ella. I best me I go get right now, no?
Yep.
Yeah, no. Alright, see.
Ella's I don't want to take no pictures.
All our great grannies are blessing.
Our great granny?
Great granny, my foot there.
Oh,
Very general, I take a picture. Put the camera so.
Plug where? Keep it running?
Can I take a picture for me, G?
What I mean, man?
Come on, sir.
You want me in the picture? Yes. No, you guys go and then I'll come after.
Am I
Go right in front. Go right beside him.
Ajari's gonna start to act up, so you gotta take
Come
it.
Come right now, sir. Huh? Come right in front. Daryl, come here, picture brother. Make you a piece like this.
Wait, move over. There's someone go right there. Like it's just blank right here. Yeah. Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, come over, my boss. Watch your foot, watch your foot. Ella, stretch, you know? Ella, stretch.
And Ella hardly stretches. That's nice.
Nice, you know?
Yeah, man.
You see?
That's why we don't
Yeah,
club.
nice.
See me, King
Tall, I hear tall.
Yeah, nice. Long hair, man. And if you have a big sister, too.
Andrew.
That's true.
Yeah, man.
Look at look for her now.
And can't see him like country.
No, not look for her for real. My big sister look alike. She graduated Sunday, say?
Yeah, man.
From NCU, no so? Oh, what she has study?
Social worker.
Okay.
Jameer is still down there. Took pictures and then he ran back down. That's Jameer's fun, so we just let him do his thing. And then Ajari enjoying the nice cool breeze. All the goats.
Man, they're different, yeah, man.
You wonder if Jameer's gonna run away from them.
Me think you have to meet somebody like that man in a life again, you know? You never meet nobody like me that day again in my life.
Nobody.
Man, they say someone have a goat them. Man, they will look for the goat them and say, go on home. And the whole I goat them stay in one line.
What?
I go straight through the gate. Yeah, man, he will just look for the goat them and say, go on home.
You see?
Eh?
Really?
As well, also.
Yeah, man. The man, they will just, you say this man having goat, man, they just tell the goat them say, go on home. And the whole of them are traveling in one line. And they got money. You see, they got money what Bunny used to do in ground. And they say he used to tie in goat them. Or sometimes he tie them and say, shake it and the new house will build up.
That's
He
why
tie them up in the grass so before the house will build up back at this.
this.
And he just pull the rope and say, go on home. And the whole of them are traveling in a line.
That's
When
crazy.
he said, come from work, you know how full house their money shop. The dog them go meet him off of the hill to go down the mountain. They just smell him and just run go but from right there so to both dog in a square down there so money shop. Then the dog them and meet him every time like they know say him a come.
And in the love one you see.
Yeah man. Oh God man, I did this man and he love. He love we know but she should turn that the baby 7-year-old, turn that 8-year-old and he dead, you know.
You never know him.
When him dead, Tyron did feed them a little pick me at age.
I sometimes look on Jamaica and see and send someone if you remember them up days.
Right?
Oh, God.
It's true.
When full father did Tyron I feed them age.
Oh,
Little like a day.
understand.
You understand? At yes, I 18 years now.
If you have a more, me look at you. Look at you.
I tell you, man, smile like a man.
No, you're not meet no.
Man, they just. I wait there, me there Christiana.
I'm trying to make trouble.
No, man, me there Christiana. I'm a buck up one brother. I'm see them in barber chair cut and him come there and the man there rum and them something. You know, man under them rum. And I see man, I come out that chair, I go to him and say, no, remember me, don't you? I say, no, sir, remind me. I say, remember Tazi. My son, man. And same time, man, just in junk, you know. And he just draw one brother and say, you see the man and father? Humble man, the man have a virgin. And the man say tell everything.
But you know nothing bad to say about you.
Nothing
Nobody
bad.
know no bad.
Nothing
Say
bad
no
to
make
say
trouble.
about that one day, you know that? You see your work, man. The man they're just different.
And when he dead, he black.
If I do I work for
One
you,
guy
man,
funeral, me did not cry
come to you
and
for the
you
money and you don't have it to pay.
Nah pressure you.
You leave.
God. Nah pressure you, man. And he just welcome everybody. Just Jamaica meeting auntie, yeah. Yeah.
nice boy.
Yeah, man, this is my twin auntie right here. Is it in favor? Go, you want to go and go play? I saw him go on.
You have to do nothing to your ear.
Yeah.
That one I hear nice.
Nice ear.
Two cousins them as I say when boss them 18 and 17 dog them love young. And a young you call her one day.
How are they in there?
Eh?
How are they in there?
Oh. No, I record them, yeah, man. Show them, vlog them on them.
Yeah.
Love the white, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Dash. I know, live on it, I know. You two of them. One of them, live up here. Big up.
Alright, so right now we're getting ready to leave. We're walking down this steep hill. Whew. But we all had a good time. It was nice. Besides the mosquitoes biting us up. But taking our time. Whew. He's probably used to it. Wait for Jam. What is he getting?
It's online.
Oh, nice. Jam, wait! Alright, let's see what he got. Oh, be careful. Oh, Jesus. Oh my gosh. You got a lot? Oh, look at those. Those are beautiful. You see? I didn't know there was so much. That's awesome. Thank you.